Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Lemlist AI to automate personalization at scale step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Lemlist account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email. Once logged in, navigate to the Campaigns section on the dashboard. Click on Create New Campaign to start the automation process. Enter a unique name for your campaign to easily identify it later. Select the type of campaign you want to run, such as email or outreach. Choose your audience by uploading a list of contacts in CSV format. Make sure your CSV includes all necessary fields like names, emails, and any personalized data. After uploading the list, review the imported contacts for accuracy. Now, proceed to the email creation step by clicking on Create Email. Use the built-in templates to design your email or start from scratch. Incorporate dynamic personalization tags to address each recipient by name or other unique attributes. Utilize Lemlist's AI features to enhance your subject lines and email content. Next, set up the email sequence by defining follow-up emails and scheduling them. Decide on the timing between each email to keep your outreach consistent. Review all elements of your campaign to ensure everything is properly set up. After final checks, click on Launch Campaign to activate your automation. Monitor campaign performance through Lemlist's Analytics dashboard. Adjust your strategies based on the insights gathered from the results. Repeat this process to refine and scale your personalization efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.